Hey viewers, great to have you watching another episode of Twins Television. In this episode, we're going to wash the Lambo for the first time in 3 years. Because we know that this car has been standing still for 3 years, and you can really see that in the paint. So we're going to give it a thorough wash, and Tom from your detail company is here with us. He's going to explain to us in a moment exactly what we're going to do. We're back at the Twins.
Nearly a year ago, we were here working on the GTI using products from detailing addicts, among other tasks. Today, we're going to do things differently. We've now started our own product line, and we're going to use it to work on the car. As you can see, the car is extremely dirty. We're going to start by rinsing it off. That's the first thing. Next, we're going to snow foam it. Why do we do that? To let the dirt soak off the car. Next, the Twins said they want to help me. I'm really happy about that, because the car needs to be clayed. What are we going to do? In a moment, we'll have a piece of clay with lubricant, and we'll clay the whole car with it so it becomes super smooth. Tar, spider droppings, everything will just be removed so it's completely clean. Let's walk around the car. As you can see, it's very dirty. We're here at the bumper. There are some damages. We're going to see what we can do about that. A cleaning machine. I brought a whole arsenal of stuff with me, so it should be fine. We're going to take off the Sprint Racing sticker in a moment. The roof. Guys, what do you have?
Done.
I get that the car hasn't been washed for quite a while.
3 years.
By now. We need to cover the engine compartment for a moment. There will likely be some tinkering needed, so we won't get too deep into it. I have another meeting as well. We were supposed to apply a glass coating first. For that, the car needs to be polished in 2 to 3 steps for the perfect result. But there are also parts that haven't been repainted. We do want to give those some extra attention. But I also hear that the guys have decided to wrap it. This means the glass coating will no longer be applied. Because if we apply a glass coating, the wrap might come off more easily. So we're just going to make it all nice and neat. We'll remove the wheels briefly to clean and apply the glass coating. Since these were recently powder coated, we want to preserve their appearance. Let's start by putting the Sprint Racing sticker on the side. Of course, we can't simply put this down as work. Remove it. And then we're going to head outside because we're finally going to give the beast a wash and bring it back to its original glory or something like that. Yeah, that's a good one. And the young man standing in the background, introduce yourself for a moment. I'm Rick, and I'm doing the beauty shot here. Thank you, Rick. Let's go. After 3 years, it's finally time to wash the beast outside. I'm really looking forward to it since it's super dirty. So I'll just start in car wash style, guys. Let's go. what a wash can do to a beautiful car. It's already a completely different car. It looks 10 times better already. Of course, we're going to do a lot more to it. Now we're going inside for a clay treatment. So yeah, let's head inside. It's not a full 100% yet. Guys, we've got the car inside, and to celebrate, we've started playing beer pong. Unfortunately, he has to take a sip. Here we have the clay soaking in some water to make it softer. I've got the pink shine here, and next to it the speed wax, which I've diluted 50-50 with water, and that's what we're using as clay lubricant. Now we're going to clay the car. The car has been completely clayed, and because of that, it's already improved 10,000 times. So what are the next steps we're going to take? I just did a test spot to check the hardness of the paint. When your paint is really hard, you need to use a coarse polish with a heavy pad to remove the worst scratches. Then you need to finish it with a second step to really make it look nice. Just actually decided that we would still
apply a thin glass coating on it. Yes, we are indeed going to apply a glass coating, because we really love the orange color. It's a nice outcome that we thought of after washing it, so we're not going to wrap it, guys. That means more work for Tom.
We're going to give it a nice two-step polish. Some spots maybe even 3, and after that we'll put a glass coating on it.
I'm super excited, guys. That car is going to look so good. Thank you. Let's go. We sent the whole side with Coral 3000 and water. That's why the side has become super dull. After this, Tom can polish in 2 steps with the polishing machine, making it as good and shiny as new again. And after that, it's time for the glass coating. We decided not to prep the car, but just to drive it in the original color. The car looks even better in person than on camera. We'll take some beauty shots for you. Unfortunately, that won't work here today. It'll have to be another time outside.
The bodywork has been completely cleaned and polished. It's time to apply the glass coating, which we've spent hours on already. Tom, who's been working hard, has put on his headphones. And we're going to make it even better than it already is. We're going to apply the glass coating to the car, finally. We've put quite a few hours of work into it. But I think the result is definitely worth it. The rims have been coated with glass coating. So that looks great. They can go back on the road in 24 hours. They're protected, right? They're definitely protected. So they can do snow drifting? Yes, absolutely. They're resistant to salt and all weather conditions. So that's perfect. Those also happen for the car. We have chosen to apply one layer of glass coating from the United Kingdom 3.0 by CarPro. That means it will last for about a year. We will still top it off with a top coat for extra water and dirt repellency. But we are actually going to add even more shine to it now, right? Absolutely. Glass coating makes paint much shinier. Great. You guys are going to see the result. I think we've said enough. Let's get started. Let's go.
Guys, here we are. 2 days later. This weather isn't doing him any good. It's raining a bit. The car is already getting wet. It's shining intensely. I hope the camera captures some of it. At Jordito Company, we have done phenomenal work, if I do say so myself. Tom, come here. Thank you so much. He did fantastic work. Together with Robin. He's still here too, the man behind the scenes.
The guys decided not to wrap it after all. That meant he still applied the glass coating. We sanded down the left side of the car completely with 3,000 grit, then 8,000. Then we polished it back again to restore the deep shine. We already noticed there were a few dust particles in the paint. We completely removed those with a sanding block, then polished it again.
Guys, this is of course not the end of the farming content, because we're going to make a lot more fun videos for you. For example, we're still going to do a test drive. We're installing a cool, unfinished spoiler. The wheel arch still needs to be added, with more content coming. New Lambo content next Friday. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you appreciate our effort on the Lambo. Tom, thank you so much. You'll hear more from this man. New content next Friday. The next week. Bye.
I bumped my head.